Grady Spruce High School is preparing its students for success through its Mechatronics program.
I think what I like the most about being in a STEM program is I think it's taught me a lot about how the world around me works.
Mechatronics combines electrical and mechanical engineering.
I really enjoy the hands-on experience. I just love working with all those intricate parts. It's really interesting to me.
Working and doing circuits, building, working with pneumatics, motors, things of that sort. It's very fun.
These students graduate with more than a high school diploma. They earn an associate's degree and a technical certification.
Here you have the experience to be in the college room with college professors.
My professors teach me so much. They're like a genius to me, kind of.
Honestly, it's a great opportunity. It's like a good head start of what college feels like.
If you would like to learn more about this program and any other early college programs, please visit dallasisd.org/discover.